Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm just gonna share with you some of the methods I have tried to clean system data because it was taking too much time. Now I'm just gonna, redo what I've done before because I wasn't recording at that time. I was really frustrated because the system space was taking a lot of time on my iPhone, and I was looking for ways to fix this. So I've looked online, I found looked for methods. There were so bunch of videos online to fix this, but apparently I'm gonna tell you later on what I've tried, and I'm gonna show you right now what I've tried and what I've tried, and one that I've decided to try for. I never heard from anyone else sharing this, so I thought to myself, let's try this, even though it's not really what I want, but I hope this gonna solve the problem and it fix the problem. So I'm gonna walk you down the entire process. So all the methods I've tried that I've seen online, and there are, you'll see if they're working or not. So the first method is actually going to settings, and here in settings there are a lot of people saying to look through your apps and just look for the apps that are just taking the most space and just delete them. So just yeah, I've looked through a lot of apps, and majority of them I've installed a couple of them, but the problem was the same. Actually, let me show you first how what it looks like now. iPhone storage. So let me scroll a little bit down. So now guys, after fixing this, after I just want to show like the results, because thanks to this fix, system data now is under control. And now as you can see, if I scroll all the way down, system data, it's only 2 gigabytes. Now I know you can probably see this and you think to yourself, why iOS is 20 gigabytes? So now I know that's because I just installed a beta and some of a new, new iOS. So new updates. But here another method that I've watched online, and please watch this until the very end because I'm gonna share with you what worked for me. But I'm gonna share with you another method I've tried. I've seen online a lot of people discussed about this, mentioned this method, and I've tried this one as well. It's just select an app that you think is taking a lot of app space, a lot, it has like a huge size, and just click on here on offload. And all that didn't work as well. I've tried it as well and still didn't work. Now also a lot of people are saying just to restart your phone, your iPhone, and after you install your iPhone, make sure you look for podcast and uninstall this as well. Now as you can see, probably this will work for some of you if you have a lot of podcasts that you downloaded that you are watching, and just click on offload app. Well, I tried that as well, and it actually kind of removed 1 or 2 gigabytes, but I was like having 45 gigabytes system data, and still didn't work as well. Now you can see here delete update. Now this is a method that I've actually tried and worked previously with different beta iOS. So you can delete this update, so you can click on here, delete, and delete. Now we can actually in fact check again in software update, sorry, not here, in general, and then iPhone storage, and let's check if there's any difference. So it's actually not any difference, actually increased the memory, but the iOS actually decreased. So that's something you can try if you want to remove the iOS. I knew already that that's the issue here. I installed the beta and it was here available for me to install, to remove, sorry. But there is actually some apps here on iOS, related to iOS, that you can remove. Not really related, but you can delete them that you don't use anymore. Now I've tried that as well, but the one that worked the best for me is actually resetting, and you can click on here, reset iPhone, erase all data and settings. So make sure you first update your, first you head over to your Apple iCloud, and here you click on iCloud, and you update your iCloud. That's something you should be doing, because of course you will erase all your data, all your settings. So doing this can prevent you from losing any kind of information. Now here, if you iCloud, you have the, even the 150 gigabyte subscription is worth it, because you can update and just just make a really nice device backup, an iCloud backup, and you will actually add just back up all your data pretty much, and 50 gigabytes for majority of you it's pretty enough. For me it's enough. I don't even have that all the way up to 50, but that's what I did and actually fixed the problem. I don't think it takes so much time. Just click on erase all data and settings, and this will erase this iPhone. And here you can see erasing will sign up off your Apple ID and remove your personal data, so this iPhone can be safely traded in your or given away. Following this will be safely removed from this iPhone. So the apps, the Apple ID, the Find My, and Wallet. So if you continue now, this will get removed, but actually not now. This can really help. As I said, I've seen a lot of difference now, but maybe for some of you don't have to do this right away. That's why I actually walked you to the other method that I tried, and for me it didn't work. Only the second one with the update, but that's only if you have the problem with update here, as I did have with the iOS was like above 20, but system data, as you can see, it's only 5. It was 2, but that's not a problem here, because as I said, you can remove the update, beta update, and you can also really update your iPhone. For some of you, you can try this, but maybe there's some apps that you're using and it can interfere with that previous app. If you install the latest updates, even the beta version, there's I think a beta version right now. So I'm not gonna do it right now. I'm not gonna install any beta version, but some of you, I know for some of you, actually doing this can fix some of the problems, because there's a new beta in this beta. Maybe there's a new, you know, something that'll fix that problem, so we can try this, but I can't guarantee you that this will work. The only thing I can't guarantee even this, but that's something I know I've tried, and it worked for me. I've tried and worked. I've tried others that didn't work. It's just you erase your phone and reset your phone. This can this can work. So I hope you found this helpful, guys. If you have, please leave your feedback down below, your results if you try this and you see any difference, and if it really now you don't have any, you don't have like 20, 40 plus gigabytes in your storage, in your other storage here on your Apple, on your system data, or your iPhone. So let me know in the comment section what's the results you got from this, trying this. And now if you have less memory and you're happy to use your iPhone because you have less memory, so you can add other important apps you need. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. And also I forgot to mention something. If there's an app here, and probably there is, of course, that it has a huge size like YouTube for me, make sure you offload the app. Sometimes this can work, I know, for some of you, because that huge app really really added a lot of data throughout the time, and now you can remove it, install it again. This can fix from 5 can go down to 3 gigabytes instead of 5. So yeah, thanks for watching and take care.